When should you use multiple calls to action on a landing page? Digital marketers know that multiple calls to action on a landing page often confuse visitors and trigger the paradox of choice. If a landing page has many calls to action, instead of converting, visitors often start contemplating all of the options they are seeing. Eventually, they don't choose anything and just leave the page. So, does this mean that in order to maximize the conversion rate of their landing pages, digital marketers should never ever put more than one call to action on them? Absolutely not. The strategy with multiple calls to action on a landing page will work really well when you're promoting a series of events, webinars, podcasts, etc. Every episode is scheduled for a specific point in time. Hence, visitors will be able to choose the option that will fit their schedule. This kind of flexibility increases the conversion rate of a landing page. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and visit Markham Robot blog for more landing page best practices. Looking for a landing page builder? Check out Markham Robot at markhamrobot.com.